Hi, I'm here in Arabian Ranches to show you the transformation of the landscaping of this large luxury home. Check out how dated and tired it looked when Almuth met us, as all these properties were lived in since the last 15 to 17 years. With the development area of 580 square meters, every inch is transformed. Paving was changed all around the villa. Planting and selection of some beautiful trees create different views. The curve-shaped pond-like pool was retained, retiled and refurbished to look more modern, serene and saved cost of making a new one. The seating area with a fireline table is large and can host 8 to 10 people. Plush 8.5 by 5 meter waterproof pergola with an outdoor bar, kitchen and dining is spacious with a wood-fired pizza oven, grill, outdoor fridge and sink. Pergola attached to the villa forms a nice patio to come out and sit from the living room, view the pool and have morning coffee. All woodworks are built in Milestone's carpentry at Al Khurs.
Sejal's design was just wonderful and she captured all our thoughts. So now we are relaxing in a wonderful garden with a wonderful pool and having nice dinner parties in our pergola and kitchen counter. So the team was very helpful and always responsive. So thank you very much to Milestone and to the complete team. And if you want to remodel your garden, I just can recommend for anybody to go to Milestone. Thank you.